spout removed, we can unsweat the tub and shower valve from the riser going up to the shower head. This is the reason that we leave the shower head in place. So that when we go to install the new one, it's already lined up for us. So here we're just going to unsweat this pipe loose and pull our tub and shower valve out. So then we can start hitting into the wall. We're making our hole wider so that we have much more room to install the new tub and shower valve. Now we have the old tub and shower valve out the way. Now it's time to start hitting on the wall with the hammer and making the necessary hole to install the new tub and shower valve. As I said, this is a pretty thick wall, an older home. More than most likely you'll be fortunate enough that your wall will not be as thick as this one. And this is a concrete wall, actually, light concrete with wire mesh. So really it's not too hard to get into. Just remember to start in the middle and work your way out. It's a lot easier. And we're trying to save as much tile as we can on here so that the repair plate, the cover plate, will cover any damage that we might make here in the wall. And hopefully when we're done, no one will know what this wall may look like behind the cover plate. Okay, now let's kind of eyeball it and line it up a little bit. Let's see how far we've gotten and what we have to work with. This is not too bad. We could probably take out a few more or a little more cement and tile, because we want to try to line this valve up as even as we can with the existing holes that were there.